This initial solution will show you how to add full reel on Instagram story. First of all, let's find out the reel. So this is the reel I want to share to my Instagram story. First of all, I'm gonna saving this reel. Once you saved the reel, go to your profile, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right, tap on saved, tap on all post, select reel tab, and here you will get the reel you just saved. So open the reel, tap on this share icon, tap on add reel to your story, tap on send, select your story and tap on share. Done. And now I'm going to opening my story here. And as you can see, I've successfully shared the full reel to my Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.